Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We are here another day for another fantastic recipe, and today is the turn of tuna spaghetti or spaghettis con atún. And I believe this was one of the first recipes I learned to make from my mom, and it's lovely. It's really easy, fast, and you can't go wrong. Everybody will love it. So let me show you how to make it. And the way that we start is by making the sauce. I already made my own sauce. If you want to know how to make your own sauce, you can find it in one of my videos here, how to make your own tomato sauce. It's delicious and it's healthier than buying it. But of course, if you don't have the time to make it, you can either buy tomate frito or you can use passata. Add onions, garlic, the spices that you like, sweet paprika, salt, sugar, etc. Cook it and then we will continue. In my case, I already made my tomato sauce. This is the pot where I cooked it, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add the tuna, which is here. Too much light, I think, today. So what we do, we add the tuna and we stir well. I mean, if you want more tuna, you can add another tin, whatever you prefer. I think one tin is more than enough. If you want to pimp it, you can add some fresh prawns. I don't have fresh prawns, I only have frozen, so I thought I would leave them out, but you can add a few prawns that will make it extra special and extra tasty. And because there's not much to cook now, the sauce is already made, we just add the tuna in it. We will let it cook for about 5 minutes or so, just so the tuna takes the flavor of the tomato sauce and the tomato sauce will thicken a bit with the tuna. And while the tomato sauce is cooking, you should cook your spaghettis. And how do you cook your spaghettis? Well, if you don't know how to do it, check the instructions on the packet and it will tell you exactly what you need to do. And this, my friends, is tuna spaghetti with my own tomato sauce. Really lovely, fancy if you put it in some prawns, and lovely for an everyday meal. Very fast, very quick, very easy. So if you like this dish or any other dishes in the channel, please do subscribe. It means the world to me. Do share on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. What am I thinking of? I think I'm too hungry. And I need to have dinner. So I'm gonna leave you with this one, and I'm going to have dinner because my brain is not working properly. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.